Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we learn ABCD, A to Z. So let's start. A for apple. Apple means save. A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gend. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means Billy. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for doll. Doll means Gudiya. D for doll. Doll means Gudiya. E for egg. Egg means anda. E for egg. Egg means anda. F for fish. Fish means machli. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for goat. Goat means bakri. G for goat. Goat means bakri. H for hut. Hut means झोपड़ी. H for hut. Hut means झोपड़ी. I for igloo. Igloo means igloo. I for igloo. Igloo means igloo. J for jug. Jug means jug. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lamp. Lamp means chimney. L for lamp. Lamp means chimney. M for man. Man means आदमी. M for man. Man means आदमी. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for pen. Pen means pen. P for pen. Pen means pen. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for swan. Swan means hans. S for swan. Swan means hans. T T for table. Table means mage. T for table. Table means mage. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V. V for van. Van means gaadi. V for van. Van means gaadi. W. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarbooj. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarbooj. X. X for Xmas. Xmas means Xmas. X for Xmas. Xmas means Xmas. Y. Y for yarn. Yarn means wool. Y for yarn. Yarn means wool. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.